everyone, Karina here from yarn2talk.ca, and today I'm going to be showing you how to attach arms onto a doll so that they are movable. Yay! Okay, so to begin you will need your doll and your arms already made, and then I like to take and just mark where I want my arms to be with a couple of needles or pins or something, so I know I've got them pre-lined up to the side of my body, count it down so they're evenly across. And then with my arms, if you have hands or fingers on your arm, you'll want the thumb so it's facing up towards you. Here with this arm, I've just kind of got like a little cartoony arm, but I want this dip here, this bend here to be facing up this way when I attach him to the doll. So lay your arms down how they're going to be attached, and then you'll need your strong thread, and I've got it doubled over, so when I measured it out I did about 2 lengths of my arm, thread it through and folded it in half so it's double the length. And I used here for mine the Aunt Lydia's crochet thread. It's a relatively strong thread to work with. You can also use the clear fishing line, but it's a little harder to tie at the end. So then you're going to take your arm, and with the thumb or fingers they're facing up towards you, you're going to take your needle and just kind of where it's that second row from the top, you're going to put your needle in from the back to front, and you're going to go in through holes. Try not to grab any thread or anything, so that your wire will slide through nicely, and just pull it through, leaving a fairly long tail like so. And then you'll just set that down, and then here you're going to take your needle and you're going to go in where you've got your first needle marked there, so I can take that out, and you're going to go in and you're going to come out where you've got your other needle marked here. It helps if you have a longer needle, but I don't have one right now. So you can fidget around with a small one, especially when you're working with a bigger doll. So there, I've got it to come out, so I can take that other pin out where I've got it marked. So I'm just going to pull that. You don't need to pull it too close. You can let that arm kind of hang there for a bit. And then you'll take your other arm with the thumb or whatever facing up towards you, and now this time you're going to go in about the same spot you did there, going in through stitches, but you're going to go in from front to back this time. Okay, like so, and pull it, and then you can just set your arm down like so. So now you're going to go back in to that same spot that you came out of, so that where your thread is, and you're going to push it back through to the other side where you inserted there. There we go. Let's pull that. Then you want to make sure that the alignment of the arms is how you want them before you tie them together. Okay, so just kind of grab them just a little bit closer there to see if you like it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead with that. I like the placement of those arms. So all you're going to do here is you're just going to first tie it. Okay. You want to pull nice and snug, and that'll pull those arms in. Don't pull too hard because you don't want to break that thread either. So once you've got it snug up to the body, just kind of keep jiggling that knot. You're going to give it another kind of double or a square knot. I like to loop it another couple times, like so. Okay, so there we've got the arms on, and you can go back in a couple times, back back and forth a few times if you want it to be a little more secure. I find that this is usually fairly good for my dolls. So then you're going to take here and snip this end off on the needle. You're going to thread both of these ends here onto your needle, and then just pull it through to the back of the doll and weave it in. Okay, so you would just pull that through there, somewhere out to the back of the doll, and then snip it off. And that is how you attach movable arms for a doll.